The world is split up into continents. There are 7 continents in our world. They are North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. I can sing a song too. We have Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, finally Australia. About 70% of the Earth's surface is filled with ocean water. There are 5 oceans in our world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. I can sing a song too. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.